Sir, hanggang ilang oras itatagal ng H88 and ano po yung i-click para mag-instant record siya? Or kailangan ba muna na i-open yung app para mag-start record? So to answer your question, this is the H88 Pro action camera. So para sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, you don't need to open the app or connect this camera para lang mag-start mag-record. You can record instantly without opening the app. So first, i-turn on muna natin siya, press and hold natin for a few seconds. And then may makikita tayong blue LED light. Kapag nakabukas na yung blue na yan, that means naka-turn on na yung camera, but it is still not recording. Pero once nakinlik ulit natin siya for the second time, magbabibrate siya and magbi-blinking na yung kanyang blue light dito. That means currently recording na to. So about sa question na how long yung itatagal ng H88, more or less 90 minutes kung straight recording yung gagawin natin. Pero kung batch by batch recording lang, kaya niya tumagal ng 2 hours. So kung tapos na kayo mag-record, just press this button again. May mararamdaman kayong vibrate and mag-stop na yung blinking niya. That means nakapag-record na kayo and naka-stop recording na siya. So yun lang, I hope it helps. And if you're interested in this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.